There's a lot of people who are starting to make that leap, and I think telling your story on a platform like this hopefully can give like a college kid confidence to come right out of school and do their own thing.
Thank you.
You know, because there was not a lot of support for that 5-10 years ago.
I hope so, because I don't want to sound like a Tony Robbins type of a-hole or whatever, but I really mean, like, if I can do it, so can you. I mean, like I said, I did go to film school, although I was like educated. I didn't have like, I never thought of myself as like an entrepreneur. I wasn't that, you know, brash kid just like, you know, selling lemonade and making tons of money when he was 8. Like, I was never that kid. Yeah. But, you know, if you have, I guess, at the end of the day, the desire to go for some kind of jump like that, you can do it. Mm-hmm. That's what it comes down to at the end of the day, is how much drive you have and how much you can endure.